Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.9, Problem 13. This is Section 2.9, Problem 13. We have 7 3/16 plus 2 1/8. So to add these, I need to make a common denominator. So if my denominators is 16 and 8, 16 is a good common denominator. So the top fraction will have a denominator of 16. The lower fraction will also have a denominator of 16. So for the top fraction, if the denominator get to stay the same, it was 16, it stayed 16, then the numerator will also stay the same. It was 3 and it will just stay 3. Nothing really changes. Now the bottom fraction, though, my denominator of 8 got multiplied times some value that turned it into a 16. That some value must be a 2. 8 times 2 is 16. So the numerator of the bottom fraction gets multiplied times the same value of 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 2/16 really is an eighth, but now I have it in a form where we have a common denominator. And I'm adding. So my common denominator is 16. Let me add the numerators. 3 plus 2 more. 3 plus 2 more is 5. Don't forget you have whole numbers that you have to add together. 7 plus 2 more is 9. So my answer is 9 5/16. And you should check to see if you can reduce it. That will not reduce, so 9 5/16 is the final answer.